Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get lightning toasty. First, let's prioritize safety. Understanding your skin type is crucial to prevent painful sunburns. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least 30 SPF, even on cloudy days. Remember to reapply every 2 hours or more often if swimming. Seeking shade during the sun's strongest hours, typically between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., is also very important for protecting your skin. Preparing your skin properly is key for an even, streak-free tan. Start by gently exfoliating your entire body to remove dead skin cells, creating a smooth canvas. This helps prevent patchy areas. Next, keep your skin well hydrated by moisturizing daily. For a controlled and sunless glow, consider using a high-quality self-tanner. Apply it evenly for a beautiful, natural-looking finish without sun exposure. When tanning, smart techniques make all the difference. Begin with short sun exposure sessions, gradually increasing your time over several days to build a base tan. Remember to change your body's position frequently, perhaps every 15 to 20 minutes, to ensure an even, all-over glow. While reflective surfaces can enhance tanning, use them with extreme caution to avoid overexposure and burns. Maintaining your beautiful golden glow requires consistent aftercare. Immediately after sun exposure, generously moisturize your skin to lock in hydration and prevent peeling. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day also helps keep your skin supple and extends your tan's life. Try to avoid very hot showers, as they can strip away your tan more quickly. Opt for lukewarm water instead to preserve your radiant color.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.